Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock free M4 Black Gold Royal in COD Mobile. Now launch the COD Mobile, open Call of Duty mobile app on your device and ensure you're connected to the internet. Check for seasonal events, go to Events tab from the home screen and look for current seasonal or featured events that offer weapons and skins. Look for the M4 Black Gold Royal event. Scroll through the ongoing events and locate the one that lists M4 Black Gold Reward as a reward. It may be under featured, seasonal, or recommended. Read event requirements. Tap on the event to see the missions you need to complete. These typically include tasks like daily logins, playing multiplayer or battle royale matches, or even achieving kill milestones. Now complete all missions, finish each missions listed, and progress usually track automatically. Claim the reward once you meet the requirements, basically the kill milestone, the royal matches, and the multiplayer, you'll be able to claim the M4 Black Gold Royale. Check your inventory, those should be on your loadout, assault rifles, M4, and apply the Black Gold Royale skin. That's actually really good, guys. And now, use redemption code. Sometimes Garena or Activision releases limited redemption codes. Keep an eye on official social media channels or partner giveaways. If you get one, just visit Call of Duty/redemption, enter your user ID and code, and restart the game and find the skin in your inventory. Now, the things that social media channels are, that would be around for Twitter, for Reddit, for Facebook, and I think Instagram also plays a good role here. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.